Ayan, at may pabulaklak tayo today. So, ngayon, ayan, makita niyo. Meron ng tumitilaok naman ako kasi umaga na. So, rate tayo ulit ng mga BPO companies. Ito naman yung mga companies na muntik na akong makapasok. And I'd suggest this companies as well kasi newbie friendly rin sila. So, after kay Saitel, if you were able to watch my first video, Saitel, then after that, nung natapos ako kay Saitel, I applied in Estelar. So, I would rate them as well 8 out of 10 kasi actually Estelar is one of the great companies as well din naman. So, yon. So, a little story time. So, nag-apply ako kay Stellar before and ang process nila is initial and then assessment. And then, I don't know why, but hindi ako nakapasa doon sa assessment nila. It's pure customer service questionnaire lang naman. So, siguro nga kasi hindi pa ganun kadami yung experience ko. Next is, after ko kay Stellar before, nag-apply din ako kay Alorica. Medyo mahaba-haba yung process kay Alorica kasi first, it's a panel interview. And then next is assessment. Next is, it's like a personality chemi na assessment din. Pero it's a face-to-face assessment with an interviewer din. Parang i-verify lang nila lahat ng information, parang ganun. Tapos, next is HR interview. Then, next in HR interview is operations interview or ops. They call it ops interview. Wherein parang either TL yung TL yung mag-interview or one of the OM. Ayan. So, i-showcase nyo na lahat ng pwede nyo i-offer na skills. I would rate Alorica, hindi ko pa kasi sila na-experience, pero I would say 7 out of 10. A little story again with Alorica. Ayun. So, ang nangyari kay Alorica is, hindi ako nakaabot ng ops interview, hanggang HR interview lang ako. Kasi that time, hindi pa ako marunong sumagot ng something. Hindi ko napaghandaan yung tanong na kung cleared na ba ako sa previous company ko. So, they would ask you, sometimes, meron din namang interviewer na hindi. But they would ask you, are you clear? Or did you finish your clearance with ganito, kung kaninong company yon? Ngayon, ang answer ko is no, kasi hindi pa naman talaga. And then, that time, hindi pa ako marunong mag-rebut or sabi ko, wala kasing magbabantay. That time kasi, ang clearance is 1 a.m. So, in-explain ko na gano'n, na hindi ako makapag-clearance kasi ganito, ganyan. So, bigwak at bagsak si ate nyo girl kasi nga, it's something personal and it might affect the business in the near future kasi paano kung tinanggap ka nila and then sinabi mo, diba, interview pa lang sinabi mo na wala magbabantay sa anak mo. So, it's a no-no. Okay? Ayun. So, after kay Alorica, matagal na kasi nga after kay Alorica, dun na yung pumasok na akong mag-apply sa mga firm and then na-refer nga ako kay WNS. So, after long years, hindi pa ako nag-try mag-apply ulit up until na pinabalik na ulit sa site. So, I was looking for a work from home setup pero madalang na rin that time kasi nga everything is going back to normal na from pandemic. So, I think it was 24/7 in touch. I don't know if it's in touch or AI kasi magkaiba yun. So, I think it's AI. I was able to have a job offer. Medyo okay din sila sa compensation. I would rate 24/7 AI is 9 out of 10 kasi very accommodating. Hindi ka mai-intimidate dun sa mga interviewer, ng mga recruitment nila. And their recruitment process is sobrang bilis lang din. It's a virtual process. Nauuso na kasi ngayon yung virtual process. So, there. that's pretty much of it. Hindi ko na alam yung ibang companies. Timer lang po, all of these reviews or ratings ko sa company is depends and based on my experience. Okay, hindi ko po nila lahat, hindi ko po sinasabi na sobrang gaganda ng mga company lahat. Pero as per my experience, okay po sila. So, I recommend, again, recommended ko si Stellar, si 24/7 AI, si, sino pa ba? Si Alorica, newbie friendly yan, and si, sino ba yung huli? Si Tasas. And, yeah, yun lang.